Hello, it's Alex again. I know it's been a while. I've got a quick video for you on Toyota Auris. Repair on the side indicator and the mirror unit. I'm going to show you in a second. It's just a quick one. I know I haven't done the videos for a while. I'm on holiday now. I'm going to fix it in my family car. Just a quick one. As you can see, the mirror is cracked. And the indicator is knackered as well. So I'm going to show you how to replace that quickly. I got the part number from Toyota for the bits they're going to need. Obviously there's the mirror unit. That's the part number for that. I know the steering wheel was on the wrong side. Got it in Portugal today. And that's your indicator case. That's the part number for that. You also need a bulb, which is 501, but the orange one. So I'm going to show you quickly how to take the cover off. As you can see, we're currently at the beach as well. Quite nice. So you can take the cover off using the key if you want. Just get the key behind there. And the cover pops off. Just the clips. And to get this one out, you need to be careful with the wiring. This one's obviously broken. But there's one bit holding it in there. And it pretty much just pops off. As you can see, that's where the bulb goes. So that's just the rubber that comes off. There you go. So that's how far you need to get. I'll show you how to put the new one on. That's the new one. So just check you got the right one, because there's a few different parts for this. This looks right. So I'll pop the bolt back in. Make sure you check the bulb before you install the rest of it. Let's get the bulb in there. And it goes in one way. There you go, that's in. So you've put your hazards on. You'll check if it's working. There you go, it's all good. Pop it in a new one. There's a locator there, as you can see. So just squeeze it in there. That's in now. Then just watch the wiring so it goes back in there. And squish it back in there. And it's quite easy. As you can see, it's back in there. Nice and secure. And like I showed you the cover, that just pushes back on. Okay, on there. Make sure the clips go in. That's that. All good. That's all done. So next video I'm going to show you how to do the mirror unit, which is pretty much just get your fingers behind there, which is quite hard to do when you're filming with the other hand. Well, I'm going to do it in this video. Right, that's off. As you can see, you got the heating. This is the heated one, so you got them wires that go on there. Can ask for help to hold the phone for a second. Let's go lucky. So I see. Go hunky. That's them off. You just pull them off. Get the new unit. Check if it's right. Put the white clip in. Go. contacts back on. And then just push it on. Just push it on firmly, don't push it too hard in one place, just use all of your hand to push it in, and it clips back on. As you can see, just double check it, pressing it everywhere that it's on, and obviously use your adjuster just to make sure it's working. Get the ignition on, put it on the left, and there you go, you can see it's working, adjusting, so it's good. Right, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to make more videos for you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.